Becky, would you mind if I bought a girl a drink?
Well, I guess not, as long as I can buy a boy a drink.
Okay. We are at the Mount Pellier Domino Club, one of the most famous, if not infamous, spots on the island of St. Croix.
Yes, and we've wanted to check it out for a while now, so I'm glad we finally made it.
If you've never been here, let us explain how to get here, because I wasn't totally sure. First of all, it's about, 25 minutes from Christiansted? Or, I'm sorry, 25 minutes from Frederiksted?
And it is not that many miles, which tells you a lot. The roads are curvy, potholy. It's a trip.
Yeah, I was wondering if you actually needed a Jeep to get up here. Simple answer is no. A regular car will do, but it is a lot of bumpy potholes.
Yeah, so take your time, because when it says it's going to take you 20 minutes to go like 4 miles, there's a reason.
Now, this is a place that is a complete mixture of locals as well as tourists.
Yes, lots of tourists are going to filter through here, that's for sure. And I wonder why.
I wonder why. They have the famous beer drinking pigs at the Domino Club. How about the beer?
Well, it's non-alcoholic beer, so that made us feel better. I don't know about the pigs, but you give them a can and they take care of the rest.
Yeah, so here is the deal. You go into the restaurant, you pay $2 admission to go see the pigs, and if you want to feed them a non-alcoholic brew, that's going to cost you $4 a beer.
So not too bad. I mean,
Yeah.
You got to expect they got to pay for their cause. So yeah, it's going to cost you $4 to give them a non-alcoholic beer, but then it's going to be worth it to see what they do.
Now they also have the restaurant here, and it's a nice local place high on top of the hill. When we were here, I got the hamburger.
Yes, and I got the meatball sub.
Yeah, and it was very good. Now here's a tip though, I'm sad that I missed this. Friday is roti day.
Yeah.
Oh, they have goat roti here, and I heard it was delicious, but it's only on Friday.
And I think he's probably been in roti withdrawal, because he ate it like non-stop in St. Thomas, and now on St. Croix you've barely had it. So.
Yeah, have not had curry roti as much. The restaurant, super local vibe, right?
Yes, and the food was good, even though it wasn't roti, it was good.
So it's kind of a indoor-outdoor type restaurant, high up on the hill, got a great vibe. While you're here, be sure to walk over to the memorial to Buster.
Yeah, he's the original pig.
He is the original beer drinking pig on the
And
island.
Also, you're going to want to check out some of the pig paraphernalia. They've got all kinds of stuff to represent the pig, so that's kind of cool too.
So you can eat here, and the highlight is going out to the area where the pigs are. They've got 4 or 5 pigs here. There'll probably be some tourists, and they let the pigs do this about once every half an hour or so.
Yes, one of the pigs is named Kevin Bacon, so he's kind of famous. But also check out the turtle that's by the restrooms. That's pretty cool too.
Yeah, they have all sorts of stuff you can do up here at the Mount Pellier Domino Club. So glad that we took the time to come up here. But to be honest with you, Becky, my girl who I bought a drink for, she was a real pig.
Well, that's funny, because the guy I bought one for was a real hog. So if you like this fun video, make sure to hit subscribe, and if you can, comment, share, like, do all the things. Really helps us out. Have a great day. Squeal you later.
Oh, there he goes.
Oh, he went down.
Oh.